Big up Crosses TV.
Glasses TV.
Mercy, open my way 8.5 up, all 7 feet me. Up some one barrage shows. Judgment, lighting, sundown. Boy, I'm not telling that when I saw up face look bad. Opa, Opa been some things in our face, some big bump in our face like prickly. Remember that where they at Jamaica prickly? Watch me and I later.
I don't know, sir.
Watch me and I. It hurt how she buy the friendship for the Versace glass. I'm not give back home. Listen to me now, girl. I threw the whole weekend I have things to do. I say me I can't go in at 31st.
Yeah, man, make sure your life change.
Yeah, fake glass or the eye for.
Yeah, and give short eyesight and long eyesight.
No, sir, what we're doing? The wrong person you talk with. No time.
Yeah. Must say me I go prove when I say the girl fake from head to toe. Me say me I carry glasses at Versace store. In a Macy's, go check it out. You know, give me the time now. Remember say me working now.
Yeah, just tell him say someone buy it for you, but you notice when you start to wear it, your eye hurt.
Yeah, and it give me prickly.
You want to see if it's authentic.
And it take and let me see it drop out. Yeah.
Make sure your video it.
I tell them say from a weird my teeth them just a drop out so one why open I am hey one of the time when I look on one I open teeth, you know, one I open teeth split in a two in and turn two teeth and I want teeth, you know. Yeah. Lord clot hope for a rich girl sell two at the back them if them real hope. Chine can't carry her go your dentist because your teeth them perfect. I not carry her go on my own.
No, they can't carry her to the vet. Take her to the vet.
Yeah.
She need a vet.
Yeah. She can't
come on my dentist because of some look short white people them. I'm gonna wash two shit all. I both broke them on.
Oh God.
Look at me I get the dentist but she go to go do her teeth coming out I didn't want the people them for make money. She put open name National Dentist. They're 30th Street between 7th and 8th Avenue. Tell them Miss Evans send you.
Here at Kajara, it's almost your birthday. People have raised 4.7 billion GBP on Facebook and Instagram for a cause that they are about to create a fundraising. And we will take care of the
You lucky chinka when you pull on the things and them answer go back.
Yeah, right now me keep going. When I think I'm not get busy and I get mad, yo, everything me have to fix back in the closet. It make no sense.
Here for fix them up back. It take about 3 to 4 days to pack back the driveway. I say she have no receipt and you don't see her when she go buy the bag then. Oops, the more her clothes then. Jesus Christ, if you never saw old tall and she have no shape. She's a 32 by 32 by 32 by 32. Oh, my hip and my bottom together, the two of them are 40 something. And then my waist up is a little 36. You want to see our aunt? Jesus Christ, up tall. Jesus Christ.
The World Trade Center building.
She's taller than Trade Center. You know the tree in a part named Sesame Street at such a tall.
Big bird, the yellow bird.
With our 13 teeth in our mouth and one split in our two. You understand? Yeah, no, understand when you split in a 2 and a 13 and 14. I split the teeth split in a 2.
That's embarrassing. That's not even funny. That's very, very embarrassing. Nobody want their teeth to stay like that.
Very
Nobody, I don't care. That's very embarrassing. That's not even a joke. That's embarrassing. What I mean by your teeth, I have young man who are 25-year-old. You're bugging out.
And that means say what kind of young boy that if you're not looking at him, I say I tongue black to you see. I tongue black to you see. I tongue black like when I see road.
Not even pink black.
I
And
tongue
you come
black
from
and you come
antibody.
sharp, boy, you come classy. The dolly gangster down.
And I know she coming for the Dolly Pussycat doll.
Yeah.
She crazy.
I shall go for
Yeah, you crazy.
Dolly British too.
Dolly British. You don't do that.
Out of order. To the girls say yes, TK Maxx things them real. Me I go to England next summer, go Lego myself in a TK Maxx, buy all of them hack down them I can't fit me. I work for my money.
Yeah, the woman is so rich. The woman just buy this, she buy that. I said,
I
bomb.
say like how you dash her out with the acrylic. She said when she go home, she go show you her house stream. And I mean she a show, cause remember me living at the project.
Nobody frightened that she even have $1 million at her house. Nobody cares about that. For your house clean and nice. Nobody cares. I don't care what she wants to. She could have sold $10 million at her critic. I don't
She
care. It's okay.
don't
Make sure
have
she has
them.
stuff.
She don't have them.
Oh my
A
God, this
3
lady
year
is
now she put up
delusional.
a Christmas tree for decoration. For a Christmas tree go right through the ear.
So pepper light up your
People
decoration.
like her decoration. When she come back with the bed, you see the one sheet on the bed where she have from she moving at the house till now. And she rich.
Boy, man, I mean, never support rich people that talk. So when they rich, you don't talk, dude, that's boring.
The woman loan the tissue, she and a little dog I eat alone. She and the little dog I eat alone. I eat little dog
You
no
need
die
to
right,
call
right.
the animal center upon her because you know what funny? She probably had a molest the
Yeah,
dog.
she
Morning,
does.
Good morning.
morning, Kim. Yes, because she said, are you dancing? I said, the dog
Yeah.
a fuck
You know what?
I dance to her for you.
Because I see her with her
So
finger
the
in the
dog a
dog
fuck but
bottom.
yesterday she say, at least the dog a fuck I mean, because she was arguing with me yesterday. I mean, so the dog a fuck Dad, I don't know why you did track out 10 teeth out and left 3, and I mean, she want to come bite with them. It not happen. No 3 teeth
So
not
I
show
see
up
her
on
finger
me.
in the dog bottom. But her finger doing the dog bottom and the dog no lay egg. And a
Lie
fowl
to
will lay
lie.
egg.
Lie to lie.
I said last night I cry, so I go to my bed, I cry. Puss, she said I want to borrow her shoes. Jesus have mercy. I can't lie down now hope shoes. The way hope foot big.
Captain Bread.
Yeah. I said I
Hey,
cry when hope say I
Puss.
want to borrow her
Puss,
shoes.
Puss yesterday, I told me if I done the wire, right? I was say, tough here right now, I'll kick back and just one. You know, that she gonna put up a picture
All
about me. That's why I
right.
put me a picture
And
about
that she do.
That's no, but you have all right now, Kim, because then she
where
come
rubber
for
is
me to
she?
wanna tell like I remember I done me telling her say make we done it, make it done, Kim, because I gonna get out of hand. She don't
Me
want it
said,
done because she
no
have
worry
this
yourself,
year
Puss.
a
Tomorrow
legal
me I
line.
am Brandon. I go bring her down and Kim.
She, I don't know what she are looking at. No.
She never stopped till she sent Sophia gonna jail again.
Talk true. Mix up little girl. Mix up the girl.
She walk and borrow money in a foreign. Say, I'll pay the money she borrow.
Yes, she do. She borrow part of the money for true.
You want to me, they go look.
I hope
Yeah,
And
she
she,
can't cope
can't
and
she
that,
do it.
name out
and she
Dan.
has tell
Hope
Tuffy
can't
say was
cope.
tell Kim like 3,000 that the woman hate me. So she wicked. Me have everything for
Yeah.
recording now. Me have
You know,
piece up the recording, you know.
Kim,
That's why I think
Kim.
What
that
she said?
me
I
say.
true me never
Who she
want to
said
tell her
here
no,
Dan?
she tell Toffee say. She tell me so she go tell Toffee say. If I tell her so she want 3,000 for borrow. Me's a
Yeah.
woman who tell the truth to me now, me not
No,
lie
Tuffy
upon nothing.
tell me for
And when
true.
she borrow the 3,000 she not give back. Me to her no, cause truth is she go borrow it and she not give back. Try make me get my cut out I eat.
but Dan,
Kind of like
I
tough in
true
there, so
Toffee
you
I
tell her,
tell.
but
that
who
thing
could
chat
it say?
about Dan.
She did say she about it. Who could it admit that? So that are true. So that are one. That are the only
It's
thing we
true.
can say me know about
Dan,
tough
but
in
listen
her
to me
lie.
now.
I
And she
I
true.
not come straight.
never
So she
yet,
go borrow it
never
from Kim
yet.
and you know me have a friend back Brandon. Me a friend him back. Some say a friend him back here and I got name out them blood clot now. Them say them have money. Watch me and me want to the teeth are shake like it want drop out. Them try tell me. And me a looking at the mouth and me a looking at the mouth here and What shall I do with them?
Nah, me give a little joke here. Me give a little joke. You see when immigration,
Oh,
you see when
God,
immigration put
hope
the
is
cuff
a
on her
cry.
foot and she just come out of immigration. Woman come in my office and come back $200 fair data. Things not going fair. I'm tell her to keep the $200. She come back again and she said she will pay the lawyer 13,000. So I tell her, I say, you know, some of them kind of money there, but me, what me can do, she said, she have to get the girl like $7,000. I say, you know, I'm going to pay my mortgage, I get the money. Me know, I do know, tell Brandon, and Brandon said, oh, don't blood clot and the money because she got rob it because she robbed the people them part of money in a night. I said, Jesus Christ. I know what I do. She call me, don't and me don't answer. I'm not lie to you. So she have me up for that, you know. I never learn from Brandon tell me that. And what him do, him had a girl, him had a woman when we have in the 90s. And if the woman partner money, so money. I never yet learn what the money them. That's why I never learn her the 2,500. I could have learned it to her. I could have gone to my kids them bank book and give it to her. I did not do it. Because I don't want me, because guess what? You say, oh, don't give me money, Brandon will go for it. The last time when she and Brandon a business and she rob Brandon goods them. And me, she call out to me, I have to come start the war, you know. Brandon bring two.
So
Or
even
two of them was in
she
a
robbing
business.
goods then.
Buy some weed. And she thief it and she turn and say, I thief, my son thief it. So I'm in my office at work.
Where your son thief it a
So,
year,
so,
your
so
thief
she and Brandon
same
was not
year.
me. I don't know Puss. I don't know about their business. And I don't know about she and Brandon business. I don't try to get in. Because whenever I make money, I don't know nothing.
Fair
When
enough.
things survive, when I hear the problem then. So anyway, I'm in an office and she said, Kim,
Yeah.
Sakura, Kim, Brandon, also I am embarrassment and bring two girls to beat me up. And I said, Brandon, move from me. She said, nah, move from Brandon terrible. I said, Brandon, move your blood clot from me, lock up your blood clot. Move from there, sir. Him don't move. Me go around there, so boom, leave my office and jump out and me can't go around there. I said, Brandon, I beg you please. And the girl them I look, leave up alone. I said, oh, just give Brandon him goods back. Shall look. You know? Hold on there. Cause Brandon, I'm not like, Brandon walk from 90 this and 90. I'm go into everybody's store and say, oh, thief him things. Cause
Yeah.
him disgraceful, you know.
Brandon
Him terrible, you know.
disgrace,
I'm that terrible Jamaican, you know. Somebody say, yeah,
Jamaican,
terrible,
the
terrible. So
Jamaican man
Jesus
them
Christ. And
terrible
she
with
start
them man.
bawling. Oh God, this embarrassment. And she start. I said, oh, just give Brandon him good spree, make him go about him busy. You know, so Brandon would not leave this shop the rest of me now leave me out there so sit down. And me head a hurt me because I want to come on my yard. Me no want to go with Brandon and she kick off and Brandon bring the whole America for her. And me can't take it. You know what the woman turn and say? Wait a minute. Kim, Jesus Christ, Eric is who thief Brandon things them. Me said, Jesus. And I come like her. Yeah.
Thank
And I come
you,
like her
William,
son. I tell
man.
her, I say, Mr. Brandon boy, take time with the little boy and take time with them.
Who's Robert?
And,
You are a beautiful
and she
queen.
give Brandon
Oh,
some
thank you,
fucky
Willie.
thing. And there where I can't bother with the man in foolish. She's here. Suppose me can't take it. She tease the man thing. You know, she and him always kick off with them friend back them kick off. I say, when you no kick off, don't call me blood clot. They don't mix up here. She and him always go
Yeah.
back, come back. She go back and do this with him, go back. And when things get bad, is when them call me. So I don't know why she doing all of these things then. Why she behaving like this?
And I don't know. But
She come
look
for
how she
you?
come for me now. Yeah, come for me last night, me here. Me here, Ukwa tell her, say,
I think
listen,
she want,
stand down for
I
me
don't know, I think she
auntie.
want to be the queen
Stand
of
down.
IG. I don't know. Because this don't make no sense. You
But
know,
she
this
not
don't
can
make no
take it if
sense.
she want it. Because
This don't
that
make
when
no
fit her,
sense.
she too tall.
This don't
She
make
too
no
tall.
sense. But all of this don't make no sense. God.
Mr. She not hear yesterday when me I say, Kim, you know what this I get out of, and enough is enough.
But we're not
It
trouble
need to
her.
done.
She and Tuffy in a problem with the money.
No, I know, but me just did say, me know about yesterday. Remember me there say, you know what? Somebody have to be the
And you
bigger
see, and I
person.
don't say
Walk
nothing
away.
about that.
Remember
I
that
don't
me
post
there
something.
say?
I can post my picture. Somebody start post that blood picture again.
All right. Because that's why I know she have a mental problem. This is what
Right.
keep her alive. Because she not tough find her age paper 67 and
You know, we can't take this anymore.
upset say, oh, me and Brandon, the pal. So Brandon, I your man.
No man,
If
anybody
King
come
have a
from
problem,
Brandon
Brandon,
should
I
have a
your
problem
man.
with it. Everybody should burn out. Everybody should burn out. Anybody come from Brandon on me, she get mad. She said, that's my family, with the blood kind of my girl, my family. One lady, that one.
Yeah,
Exactly.
but if I your
Listen to
family,
me,
why you
Puss.
treat them that way? Why
Yeah.
you just use them for things where you
Yes.
can't get? Why you
Puss, let
can't
me give
have
you this little
love?
joke. People
Why?
find this. Me and Brandon went to Jamaica, right? It's on the cruise. And one lady say, she see her in a shop. And when she see her, she had me and Brandon picture. She said, look at Brandon and Kim at Jamaica. Look at them look. And the girl say, but Hope, oh, you, she said, I said, Hope, you and the people them talk? She said, no, but that's my family. The woman said, Kim, be careful. She have you and Brandon picture. Show everybody so know that Jamaica. I said, Jesus Christ.
I think so she got through all that. And I say that, but she thinks that she can't cuss because she don't understand. So
I
the
mean,
same
to tell you,
Instagram here are so called,
let
you're
me
not
tell
going to
you,
let her out. And I'm
some mind
trying to
game.
tell Coop we can't
Game.
Coop. So if I try to war with
I'm
Coop
mind
it's not
game.
going to easy. Call me dog, I'm Puss, I'm rat them going to come out for your Coop. And the whole of
Puss,
Instagram
let me
going to
tell
come
you,
out for your
we don't eat Hope, but we just disappointed at Hope. Me not lie to you.
Yeah, me not eat
But
her. Well, you know,
Hope behavior,
need to stop the
but
evil
come on, Mikey.
talking.
Hope behavior, you cannot be around her because she write down everything. If you are not talk to this, she write it.
See the Anto life threatening now. She said she's not afraid to come to England. So now me want her so if you leave Anto now, Anto life in a threat. Anto and Tuffy life at dead threat depend on her life. She not gonna kill me because when she come at 10 I mean she go see.
I don't know
So
why she
me
don't
know
be
me get
herself,
way.
you know? I don't know why. I don't
She
know
not
why
behave,
she
she
don't be
like
herself.
it. She
Look,
like
so yeah,
it.
look like she like it for true, Puss, for true. Like
She love it to give her a buzz. It's when she sit down over Shanti one day and she
she
sit down
like it,
for I
too.
Miss Thomas
She
Puss,
love it,
sit down
though.
upon the seat and she sit down upon the throne and then me come take her off
Oh.
of the throne how upset she is, she want dead. And the man can't even give him show a break. She want just attack. And she just want to feel herself.
Oh, Post Brandon say the
And
reason why she like it because she a make money, she a get badge and them thing, them so she excited now over it.
Me, I no argument with Hope.
what happened?
Because somebody just said
What
they tell
happened?
me one story, my love. So a woman a come out to say Hope kill her son. Oh, yeah. Me, I want to take
Lord
my blood clot 3 times. Pussy,
Jesus.
you lucky at 9 new blood clots have. No,
Well, like Obia,
it's like the day that I met you,
like how
the day I never miss you, the day that I'm afraid.
what me
Oh,
not
shut
afraid
the
of
fuck
you.
up.
I'm not afraid of no Obia where you want, no gunman where you want. Because I tell you so when them send the gunman and shut about them, fret them and all of them send the gunman for me, them say a 10 a blood clot me them see. Them couldn't blood clot do me nothing. Me no worship man
Hope
of
the
God,
people
no
them up in
worship
New
no
York and I'm
weapon
here for
form
comfort,
against
darling. And
or my
Puss, let me
children
tell you
or my
something. You have
grandchildren
one
shall
lady up
prosper.
in New York. She walk and I tell people and I try contact bloggers and I tell them, say, oh, I swear, and
Lava,
Puss,
you
you know me
see.
not tell a lie. Stop, come on, man. Allow me.
No, somebody right that yeah. No, lava not
Jesus,
talking
please.
no,
I
she not
tell me one thing,
hearing.
I go tell her. But just come, that's why you think a while ago, I have to come back off because I did on the call with me accept to come in. So I'm happy, end
Yeah.
up come back out because I couldn't hear her now. Yes, my love, yes, one woman up there say, I hope
Yeah.
set up her son for get murder.
Anything possible. You may tell us say the woman has set up people life.
Well,
So
the
me
people
not
them are
see
gonna
a lie
contact
that
the people
lava.
them back today and I hope you can cope. Which we know you can't. Poor thing. Lord Jesus, why New York people them boy don't really know if to bring down people.
I hope one thing I hope could have gone about her business like
And
she
guess what?
insists for out here
Is
and
it
be a
because she must like
pestilent that
is it
crawler.
because she said she gonna send gunman to tough the woman definitely wanna come out, you know.
And I mean, I live in New York and people just call me and tell me your business, my love. So I just take it as, you know, I just drink like a water. And I say, I like, yeah, Hope I never say a thing, I swear to you. I just step on, oh, it's mighty God. Them something them I say I love them. I don't know nothing about the person. The person, them give me the page of the person for follow. Yeah. A serious thing, mama. Serious thing. Then just give me the name of the person. To follow the person, I follow the person, man. People them up in New York, them supposed to know who are the person too, because I guess that person is not a quiet person who afraid of nobody. Hey. Post, me the business with you. Me I protect my 3 points and 9 new blood clots. Wouldn't like people that call my name for killing someone. I'm not lying. I wouldn't like it. Real shit. Cause if you not got prison now, you know what? Yeah. Pussycat. You know, look good out here for hope. Me I tell you.